That what we offer unique is that you're able to come to a meeting with people that look like you but are really about their HR profession, and the only difference is that we just so happen to be, a lot of African Americans.
Because at NAAA HR, you are able to actually experience people who have gone through the career of human resources and can help you in your career path, can guide you and give you tips on what to do in regards to human resources, can pull your coattail when you're going astray, and also can connect you. Networking is a big opportunity that you get by being in NAAA HR.
HR is still the front door to joining an organization. And there are so many young African Americans coming out of school looking for what's next and oftentimes not real clear about what they want to do. And HR is a fine place, in my opinion, for folks to start. And what better role for NAAA HR to play than being the conduit for giving them that linkage.